Saudi Arabia has always been on the forefront in helping people of Pakistan. In 2005, when an earthquake struck Pakistan, Saudi Arabia came up with a $10 million US government aid to the government only. $170 million were given in the floods of 2008 and 9. 1.5 million for economic relief, 1.5 billion for economic relief in 2014. Since 1960, KSA is the largest donor to Pakistan outside Arab world. Likewise, in the private relief, this is a relief I'm talking about that the Saudi government has given to the Pakistani government. The private relief is also very significant, and the activities of King Salman Relief Fund are admirable. The way they have always been generous to the people of Pakistan. $38 million have been spent on the disaster relief. $55 million have been spent on the housing projects, $5 million on schools, and about $0.7 million on the mosques. So this is just a glimpse of what the relief activity of Saudi Arabia is undertaking in Pakistan.